So I wonder if you can help me. Somebody told me, and I need somebody with a physics degree to let me know, that you're meant to stir your food before you put it in the microwave because it helps the heat dissipate better when it goes into the microwave. Now, I'm no scientist, so I don't know whether it's true or not. But if you can let me know whether it is true or not, don't forget, you're putting something cold that hasn't been in the microwave into the microwave, but you're stirring it before it goes in so that the heat dissipates better in the food. I don't know whether it's true or not. Help me out, please. Come on. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong.